Imagine waking up tomorrow to find an AI agent synthesized your user research and drafted your entire product spec overnight. Automating these tasks upgrades your role. You are trading in low-level execution for high-level strategy. Today, we are going to build a repeatable, step-by-step system. We will take rough user feedback and transform it into a fully formatted, engineer-ready product requirements document, or PRD. To navigate this shift, you have to change how you interact with AI. You have to move beyond treating it like a basic search engine and start orchestrating how these systems interact. This is the Agentic PM stack. It is a 4-layer architectural system required to safely automate your product workflows. Layer 1 is your inputs. This is where you feed the system concrete data, like recent user churn metrics, support tickets, or raw feature ideas. Next is Layer 2, the agent layer. Here, a large language model acts as a reasoning engine to process that raw data, using tools and memory to figure out the steps. Layer 3 represents the outputs. These are the raw, generated deliverables, like the target PRD we are building today. Finally, Layer 4 is PM judgment. This is the strictly human layer where you validate the strategy and ensure the output aligns with your business goals. Many users attempt to skip directly to Layer 3 by typing a simple one-sentence command like, "Write me a PRD." That approach leads to generic results. The way to generate a viable output is by mastering the rules of Layer 2 through precise prompting. To engineer a precise prompt, we use the CCC framework: context, constraint, and criteria. The first C is context. You must explicitly declare the persona, the specific user problem you are solving, and the overarching business goal. For example, you tell the agent, "You are a senior PM at a B2B SaaS company. Our new customers are churning in the first 14 days because they face friction during the initial setup." The second C is constraints. These are the strict operational boundaries regarding the format, length, and scope of the output. We apply this by instructing the AI to write a PRD for an onboarding checklist. We specify that it must include user stories for 3 distinct personas: admin, power user, and viewer, and be explicitly formatted for Notion. By demanding a specific UI format upfront, you eliminate the need for manual document styling, ensuring the output is ready for immediate review. Combining precise context with strict constraints restricts the model's logic. It anchors the AI to your exact parameters and prevents it from inventing out-of-scope features. The final C is criteria. You need to establish a binary definition of success so the AI's internal planning loop can evaluate its own work and self-correct. For our checklist feature, we define success as a document so precise an engineer could build the feature without asking a clarifying question. If you compare the baseline output of a generic prompt against the output generated by the CCC framework, the difference in quality is obvious. The framework produces a detailed Notion document, complete with formatted tables, user stories, and clear acceptance criteria. However, you must avoid blindly copying and pasting this text directly into an engineering ticket. This is where Layer 4 comes in. You manually review strategic alignment, adjust the metrics, and account for specific stakeholder needs. The agentic system executes the heavy lifting of data synthesis, but the human product manager entirely owns the final outcome and the associated risk. By following the CCC protocol, you can architect a systematic, high-quality PRD in under 6 minutes. This chart shows the PM value pyramid. It maps the likely trajectory of product careers over the next 5 years. Execution tasks at the base are automating. Career survival depends on moving up the pyramid to focus on strategic judgment and relationship-driven leadership. Your challenge is to utilize this exact framework today. Use it to draft the requirements for your very next feature ticket. Shifting your focus from performing tasks to orchestrating systems provides a clear advantage in a modern tech landscape.